Hey, Ivy, can you do that again? Of course not. Since I pull out the phone, she's trying to climb the tree. It was really cute. Hi. Little tree climber, little bird hunter, squirrel hunter. There's a bird up ahead. I think she sees, oh, she sees it too. Ugh. Yeah, we're still trying to work on her. Hey, buddy. I'm going really slow because there's a bird up ahead. We're being very careful. That way I don't get taken out. Oh, he sees it. He does see it. Oh, okay, they both want the bird today. Even he does too. Oh. Anyway, this is what every day's like with Queen Ivy here, wanting all the birds. He kind of wants it, but he's gotten past a lot of that stage. But she's a ways to go. Oh, big girl, I know you're such a big girl.